Investor alert on a property in Bucerías, Nayarit, just north of Puerto Vallarta. Would you turn this home into your dream Mexico casa, a cash flowing rental, or maybe a great flip? I'm Shasta Townsend. I'm a real estate agent, relocation specialist in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, and I want to share a unique opportunity in Bucerías, Nayarit, just literally 2 blocks from the beach. Today, my husband Ian joins us to tell us the lowdown on possibilities and opportunities in this cool property. Let's check it out. All right, we're inside the house with my husband Ian. If you were going to update the kitchen, Ian, what would you do to this kitchen?
I think if you're going to keep the Mexican charm and you like the tile, we just leave everything as is. We change the sink, faucets, add some new appliances. Of course, we keep these Perota cabinets and really just check on the electricity, check the plugs, change the lighting out, and give the stucco and a new paint job and a shine.
In the living room now, what are your thoughts on updating this room?
I think it's a beautiful size living room, 2-bed. Would be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house. Plenty of plugs. We changed, really just paint, decorate, add new ceiling fans, and some furniture, and it's an automatic rental.
All right, off the living room is a bedroom. What are your thoughts on this room, Ian?
This room has so much potential. The second bedroom. Let's go in here first. Literally, the closet is like plumbed in for a sink and a toilet. You get a nice vanity toilet in there. I'd extend the bathroom out a little bit and put in a shower so you have a full ensuite for guests. And maybe just for a little bit of privacy, the glass and metal doors that she has to walk through, I'd probably take those out and put in like beautiful Perota doors just for added privacy.
And then we have what I think is a super cute powder room with nice, cool Mexican tile. What would you do in here?
I think I'd just replace fixtures. I put a new toilet in. I drop a beautiful Mexican sink in this, a stone sink, and really just paint and change fixtures. Other than that, there's your 2.5 baths now for your 2-bedroom.
And then we also have a master on the main floor. So tell us about this room, what you'd suggest.
Really, this is just needs a facelift, paint. I change all the plugs out, new ceiling fan in this bedroom. It's a big size, plenty of room for furniture and a king bed.
And let's keep going into the bathroom. So this is a closet, everybody, but then we have a bathroom in here. It is super interesting tub. Beautiful tile on the wall, but I think what do you think about this floor in the tub?
I think it's fixable. I would literally I'd bring in a professional to see if we could get the grout cleaned and all touched up. If you like that tile, we would leave it like that. But then obviously change out the fixtures, put in new toilet, new fixtures here, and you have a brand new bathroom.
So we're upstairs now, and there's actually a lot of space up here. What would you suggest people do upstairs in this area?
Wow, what a great entertaining space. What a great outdoor space here. You have plenty of room here to set up dining room table. You already have a half bath ready to go here. You have the sink work area for like prepping food. This is just like ripe for like a barbecue setup. And then, so much more to expand. There's like, so many possibilities. A gazebo or umbrellas, deck chairs, with still like, partial like ocean views to like really enjoy like the sun and the weather in Mexico.
And it's a little bit hard to tell, but that is the ocean, literally views right there, friends.
So we're back downstairs and like so much outdoor living space down here. Yes, it does need a little TLC and some gardens need some work, but can you imagine a pool being right behind me here? Your own little dipping pool? I can see it in my head and have the designs for you.
Zach, but what sort of like a ballpark do you think in terms of cost?
I think depending on your tastes and what you need or what you want to change out, like depending on fixtures, I think $25,000 to $30,000 investment here is going to turn this into a like fabulous 2-bed, 2.5 bath house with plenty of living space.
So you heard it here, friends. So if you are thinking, hey, I want to make some money in Mexico, check out this property. DM me. You can visit in person, or we can also do a virtual viewing. And we have a full renovation and construction team with my gorgeous husband at the lead, ready to help you make this dream come true.